Hey friends, if you wish to fix page fault in non-paged area blue screen of death error in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is the memory diagnostic tool. And for that, we'll search for memory diagnostic in the Windows search bar and go to the Windows memory diagnostic tool. Click on restart now and check for problems, and it will check for problems with the RAM and fix them if possible. The next solution is an SFC scan. And how do we do that? Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The last solution is a check disk scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator. Type the command chkdsk space forward slash r space forward slash f and hit enter. Then press Y and hit enter once again. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.